Well, good morning. Williams, Philippines, and it's about 4:30 a.m. on Sunday morning, January 26, 2025. Hope everybody's had a blessed weekend. Yeah, this thing's got issues. It's a little chewy. I don't know what the deal is, but it's not letting things come up the way they should. And I'm to the point I really don't want to spend any more time playing with it. Suffering through it, I'm not sure. Anyway, uh, caught a video over there, Marcus, Overstay Road. Went fishing at the fish market, brought home a 4 kilo tuna. I got hungry just seeing that thing. Yeah, I don't know about you, but big tuna, but I'd be willing to sit down to that. Wouldn't even think twice about it. Be quite happy. That's why I want to go fishing. And yeah, uh, I don't know. The central Visayas area seems to have a lot of positives for it for the Philippines. Uh, don't get me wrong, the Luzon and Mindanao both have a lot going for them too. I just don't know. I'm not really a big city type person, so I mean, hey, I'm in Amarillo, 200,000 people. I try to stay on the outer edge of it. Uh, and I work nights, so I don't have to deal with a lot of people. And when I do go out and do something, it's usually earlier in the morning before there's a lot of people out there messing around doing things. Get done, get home. Yeah. Anyway, I'm trying to figure out what to do when it comes down to this thing. I've got the Mac Mini M4 chip in it, and that seems a lot of computer for what little I've got to do. But I do want to have a little laptop. Part of me thinks go ahead and get one of the M1s or the M2s at a good discounted price, especially after they'd pop out this new version of the M4 uh, Mac Air, 13-inch or 15-inch. Find a small, not looking for a big fancy one. Uh, I don't need a big fancy one. Do a little bit of video editing. Yeah. Have to figure it out. Anyway, uh, it's Sunday morning, and I'll be getting to the house and trying to get a couple things taken care of there. Uh, Past that, just try to get some sleep. Haven't been getting as much as I wanted. I mean, I've got rested, which means I did get my sleep. I just need more. I'm still having issues with my system wants to flip over and be a day person. I haven't had this much trouble. My system is really wanting to flip over and be a day person again. And that's causing me issues. being that I'm a night person. But I'm pretty sure this is coming from the fact that I'm planning on being a day person within 6 months. And I think my body is like, okay, let's go now. They say working nights is not good for your health. I don't know. I've been in pretty good health, considering all my stupid on Stupid Street. It's all the different dirt bike wrecks and street bike wrecks and car wrecks I've had. Some days I wonder how I actually get up and walk. Because, yeah, disaster magnet, I am. Some days I think, that literally sometimes the world is trying to run me over. Makes me wonder if I'm still dancing in the middle of Stupid Street. Because, yeah, I've just been... A lot of disasters have come my way because of, being out on the road. But I don't know. Like I say, I'm over 2 million miles. And I'm trying to keep pretty low. Quite honestly, I'm half tempted to just stop keeping track. I've bust 2 million. After that, do I really care? Something I've been doing a long time, so it's kind of a habit. But yeah, we get to figure out our lives for ourselves. And having looked at the prices of things lately, I'm really wishing I had still kept my chickens, had them going. It is what it is. Cost of eggs has gone stupid. And then Marcos is over there talking to one of the girls, and they brought home eggs, and the cost was like 30 for half the price I'm paying for 18 here. Yeah, cost of living over here has got crazy stupid. I'm really ready to go and enjoy being at a peaceful life, not having to stress out on things. Yeah, I think he paid $180 a kilo for that tuna he bought. For $4.25, I think the guy said when he weighed it. That's 11 pounds of tuna. $1.80 is what, $3 a kilo? So 12, say $14, $13, $14. Actually, I think it's less than that. But yeah, that's a lot cheaper on a fish than what we got going over here for sure. That just got me wanting to go fishing. But yeah, the time for me is getting real close, and I am so ready to go. Like I said, I need to go by and hit the hardware store and pick up a for sale sign. get my number on it and get it to where folks can start calling me and get this thing going. Yeah. Of course, my luck, I put the price tag up there and stick it out there in the yard. I barely get back in the house and get ready to go to sleep, and somebody calls me up and says, I'll take it. And then I'm sitting here this whole time, need to get out of the house. And now I've got to wait to go over there because, yeah. Of course, then my other side is saying, nope, you won't get it sold until right before time to go, just to mess with you. We'll see. I don't know. The price on it that I'm thinking is pretty much what the market says. I'm not trying to push it and make too much more. If I did all the dolled up work, it would be worth more. But yeah, part of me wants to go ahead and do it and get the extra bit, but then I've got to come up with all that extra money out of pocket too and do the work. I get paid back for it, but yeah. And then you never know. You got a paint job. What color of paint does that person want? Just saying. So part of me is like, yay, get it painted. The other part is like, well, what color do they want? I paint it and they're going to come back and paint it again. Did I waste my time? Paint? Just saying. Anyway, I'm ready for this day to be done. I've got about another 10 minutes before I got to get up and start actually slinging food. Because, hey, I'm the chief cook, bottle washer, checker, inner, outer, auditor, and sometimes maintenance and security guard. Can't see all those hats up there? No? Yeah, well, I wear a few. It's a fun thing to say, but pretty much it's true. But I'm okay with that. You gotta have fun with your job. Otherwise, it'd be like too much. Live life, enjoy life. Life's a journey. Enjoy the trip. It just is. Anyway, I'm going to let y'all go. This is Williams, Philippines. Friends, food, family. Lots of all of it, and some more food too. Anyway, enjoy your weekend. Blessings later. Bye-bye. Fish out.